Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be telling to you about penny stocks. What are penny stocks? These are those stocks that are below $1, that are what do you call below $1, yes, something like that, yes, that are below $1. Now these stocks are also listed in the stock market. These are those stocks that what do you call I would better say that a startup company, a startup stock. These are those type of companies. Now, now to better understand these stocks, there is one thing that if you want to trade these stocks are let me tell you about how you can how to better understand these stocks. These stocks are the new stocks, the new companies that have just started their business and got listed in the stock market to make profit out of it, to gain capital and invest that capital into their business. Now these are those stocks. These are less in value and you can easily buy them. Now penny stocks, I would share to you over here. Where is it? Yes. Now, as I live in at Pakistan, so my stocks are different than yours. But I'm explaining this to you so that you can better understand these stocks. What are penny stocks? Where is it? This is a penny stock 1.56. Those that are, you can see that 0.03, it is going up bit by bit. So one other, yeah, right here. Now this is in a three digit after the point, 3 digit after point. This is also a penny stock. This is also a penny stock because these are trading less in value. They are traded, but their trading value is much less than the bigger stocks. Now this one also TCLD, Telecard Limited. Now these are some of the stocks that are listed. Now mine at country rupees, sorry. Now the value of one, sorry about that. Now in my country, one US dollar equals to 158 rupees. Now this is the value of our currency. This is the value of currency in my country. I live at Pakistan, so this is the value. This much rupees is equal to $1. Now, now imagine that in my company the stocks are much cheaper as compared to yours. So things like these happen, and if you want to buy the penny stocks, remember that these are cheap and you can easily buy them. But these companies are better for long positions. You can invest in them for the long term because they are the startup companies, and if they have a great idea, great vision and great mission, and also they develop a great team, a great business, then it will make you a fortune in 2 3 maybe 5 years or maybe 10 years. Their stock would rise much more in value than now, than you have bought them at, than the value you have bought them. So they will give you much profit, and they are easily bought. Their value is so less that you can buy them much more as compared to the bigger stocks. But there are the drawbacks as well. I'm going to tell you later in this video. They will give you much profit. Their technical analysis also easy, and as they are new, they want to gain capital. Most of the people want to invest in these type of stocks so they can make fortune out of it. Now the drawbacks of these type of companies are they are new companies. No, most of the people are in doubt how they will perform in the future, what will be their performance, how they will they establish their business or not. So so things like these, questions like these arise. So to erase these type of questions, dig deeper into that company, dig deeper and know well about that company, how that company is performing, what is that company's performance like, how they are reacting, what is their business strategies, what are they doing lastly in their companies, what is their mission, vision, and what what the directors want, what the owners want to achieve for that company. Now ask write down these type of questions and search answers for that company. Search answers on YouTube, or maybe no sorry on the internet. And what if the answer satisfies you, then invest in that company. If that company has a good reputation, then invest in that company. There is no need to step aside. Now these are those, they are traded less, but they are traded they are traded less in value as compared to other stocks. So this is all you need to know about penny stocks. If you guys know more about penny stocks, do mention that in the comment section below, and I'm going to make a video in the future as well about penny stocks. Now that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.